Hey guys, this is Emo316. This is a bike check. I just got this. Pretty much, it's a Eastern Green Reaper frame from the actual complete bike set, and everything else is a cheater, stolen cheater package. 2011 gangrene. This our front. In front, I got the lumberjacks. Lots of lumberjacks in there. I think 8.5 rise, 8.25 rise. Really tall boy bars. Stolen clutch stem. Stolen Vortex rims, forks with the stolen roulette rims, animal headset, gold, stolen team cranks, Odyssey lime green see-through pedals, stolen PC pivotal post along with the thermal light seat post, stolen 22 teeth sprocket with a stolen roulette hub, AT driver, right hand side drive with some stolen Tioga tires, and the bike parts I ordered, they were $500 for the whole set, and they been running for like about a month now, and they're well built. I mean, $500. If you go and look it up online and add up all the parts that it comes with, it adds up like to $600, where the usual price used to be. But yep, this is my bike check, and I'm gonna do some more riding and try to get some more video in. But yep, that's it, and that's my big boy dog, Tyson. Alright guys, this is Emo360. This is my bike check. Thanks.